Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So we have to find the area of the region between the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 1 and y is equal to 3 minus x squared. So first we have to equate the two equations to know where these two curves meet. So let's equate them. It will be what? X squared minus 1 is equal to 3 minus x squared. So this will come here to become x squared plus x squared is equal to 3 plus 1. So this becomes 2x squared is equal to 4. Then we can divide both sides by 2. We divide both sides by 2, we will get x squared is equal to 2. So now we'll take the square root of both sides. This becomes x is equal to plus minus square root of 2. So this means that x is equal to plus root 2 or negative root 2. So we have found the values of x for which these two curves meet. Now we have to find the corresponding values of y in which the curves meet. So for y is equal to x squared minus 1 is x, root 2, 0, negative root 2. Then the corresponding values of y will be what? This will be root 2 square minus 1. This is 1. Then negative root 2 square is also 1. Then this one is 0. Zero is negative 1. Then for this curve, y is equal to 3 minus x squared. This is 3 minus x squared root 2 square. X is now root 2 square here. This 1. Then negative root 2 square is the same one. Then minus 0 is 3. So with this coordinates, we can draw the two curves to know the one that is at the top, to know the curve that is at the top, and to know the one that is at the bottom. So now, so here is the coordinate. So here is the Cartesian plane. So here is negative root 2 and root 2. Then here is 1, 2, 3 and negative 1. Then we can trace out these points, but they meet at here, but they meet at this line. So we can draw the first curve from this. This is root 2 and 1. So this is root 2 here and 1. This is the first point. This is the first point. Then this is 0 and negative 1. This is 0, then this is negative 1. So it's here. Then this is negative root 2 and 1. So this is negative root 2 and 1. So this is the curve. So we can trace it out. So this is the curve, and this is what? Y is equals to x squared minus 1. So this is the downward curve. Then this one is what? Root 2, the same root 2, then 1. That's at this point. Negative root 2 and 1 at this point. At this point, you can see graphically, you can see that they meet at this point, this same point, which is root 2, 1, then negative root 2 and 1. These are the common points. Then 0 and 3. So is this. So these are the two curves. Then this is what? Y is equal to 3 minus x squared. So to find the area of the region between the graph of this and the graph of this, which is this area or this area. So this is the region we are going to find, this area, the region shaded in red. Now there's a formula for that. And the formula is given by integral of b to a f of x minus g of x dx. So what makes it important for you to plot the curves graphically is that you need to know the curve that is above and the one that is below. For you to use this formula, f of x is given by the curve that is above. This one is now hence f of x. And this one is g of x, the one that is below. So this one, so hence the one above, the graph above is f of x and the one below is g of x. So we can substitute it in this formula. But if you don't plot the graphs, you cannot know the one that is f of x and the one that is g of x. If you look at the question, it's like this one is f of x and this one is g of x, since this one was stated first. But from the curves, from the graph, you can see that is the reverse. The one that was stated as actually f of x and this one is g of x. So you can't know it from the question. You have to plot it like this. Graphically, you have to do a rough sketch to know the one that you're going to substitute here. So now we can proceed. And this is the upper and the lower limit. This is b and this is a. So now this becomes what? Root 2 over negative root 2. F of x is what? Is 3 minus x squared. Then minus g of x is what? X squared minus 1 dx. So this becomes root 2 for negative root 2. Then this becomes what? This is 3. This is minus, let me open the bracket. 3 minus x squared minus x squared plus 1 dx. Root 2 negative root 2. This becomes what? This is 4 minus what? 2x squared dx. So now we have to integrate this. The integral of 4 is what? Is 4x. So the integral of this is 4x minus what? Then this is 2. This is x squared. The integral of x squared is what? Is 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, which is x cubed over 3. So it's 2 over 3 s cubed. Then we substitute this minus root 2 and root 2. So now we substitute these two limits into this. This becomes what? 4 root 2 minus 2 over 3 root 2 cubed minus 4 negative root 2 minus 2 over 3 negative root 2 cube. So now this becomes what? 4 root 2 minus 2 over 3 root 2 cube. Root 2 cube minus 2 over 3 root 2 cube, then minus, then open under bracket, then 4 minus root 2 then minus 2 over 3 minus root 2 cube, then close bracket. So it's 16 root 2 over 3. So this is 16 root 2 over 3. So this is the final answer. And since it's area, we can say square units as our unit. So this is the area of the region between the two graphs. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.